In today's interactive notebook, you need some different supplies. You need one of these pieces of paper. It says, write a number with a 5 in the place value indicated on the flap. You need one of these pieces of paper. You need one of these pieces of paper. It says, determine the place value of each number and write the value. You need one of these pieces of paper. You need a glue stick. You will need a pair of scissors. You will need something to write with, pen, pencil, marker, something to write with, and you will need your math notebook. Once you have gathered these supplies, push play again. In this interactive notebook, we're going to be placing our 4th grade interactive notebook pieces. This first one I have labeled as place value. Please label your first page as place value. Inside of your notebook, this is going to be in the section that says number base 10, I believe. You're going to use these papers. There are instructions on each of these pieces of paper. It says fold on the solid lines and cut on the dashed lines. You're going to do that. You're going to fold so that there's a folding mark right here, and then you're going to cut on all of these dashed lines. Also, you're going to be cutting these dashed lines. You're going to do the same thing on this other piece of paper as well. Fold on the solid lines and cut on the dashed lines. It is easier to go ahead and fold on the solid lines first and then cut on the dashed lines second. Then you're going to follow this direction. It says glue around this side of the flippable and attach to your INB, interactive notebook. So you're going to put glue around this side, on this side with the wording, and put this into your interactive notebook. As you can see, I have done that already in my notebook. I have it glued down so that I can't see the writing anymore, but there's glue on this side and these will flip up. You're going to create these in your notebook. Once you have those completed, you may push play again. Okay, so now that we've done that, we are going to be following these directions that say write a number with a 5 in the place value indicated on the flap. We're going to take our writing utensil and we're going to write a number in each of these spots that have that number 5 in the place value indicated on the flap. For instance, I'm going to do the hundreds place value. So I'm going to write a number that has a 5 in the 100s place value. The number that I am choosing to write is 1,543. The 5 is in my hundreds place value. You're going to do that with each of these other flaps, making sure to put a number 5 in the place value indicated. Once you have completed that, go ahead and push play again. All right, on this side, we're going to be determining the place value of each number and writing that value. So on this one, we need to determine what place value each of these numbers stands for. So this one stands for, if we read this number, it says 689,327. 689,327. Each of those digits on these flaps stands for a place value. So we're going to flip up each of these and write the place value that is indicated. For an example, I'm going to do the number 8, this digit 8 over here. So this 8 indicates and stands for 80,000. So it's in the 10,000s place value. So I'm going to write 10,000s in that section. You're going to be flipping each of these up and writing the place value that each of these stands for. This one, again, is 10,000s. You're going to complete that, and once you get this done, come get it checked by the teacher. Thank you for watching this video.